In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the folder pane in Outlook, a simple adjustment that can make your email organization much easier. Whether you're trying to optimize your interface for better productivity or just streamlining the way you navigate your emails, tweaking the folder pane can be an effective step. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to open Outlook on your computer. For most of us, Outlook is an everyday tool, whether for work, study, or personal use. As soon as you open it, you'll notice that Outlook is designed to help you manage emails, appointments, and more, all from one comprehensive dashboard. But today, our focus is on personalizing your experience a bit by changing how you view your folder pane. Once Outlook is up and running, your next move will be heading to the View tab. Now, the View tab is part of the ribbon at the top of your Outlook window, and it's a gateway to all sorts of customization options for your Outlook view, allowing you to tailor the display to suit your personal workflow and preferences. This is where you can change the appearance of your email lists, reading panes, and, importantly, your folder pane. After selecting the View tab, look for the Folder Pane button. Clicking on it will present you with various display options that Outlook offers. Here you'll see three main choices: normal, minimized, and off. Let's walk through what each of these options means, so you can decide what works best for you. The first option is normal, which is the default setting. When selected, it provides a full folder list view. This is particularly useful if you like to see all your folders at a glance, helping you stay organized by having clear visibility of all your email directories, including inbox, outbox, drafts, and any custom folders you might have created. Having the normal view can be especially beneficial if you regularly manage a high volume of mails across several folders. Next, we have the minimized option. By selecting this, the folder pane will show only icons. This is great for those who prefer a cleaner look and would like a bit more space in their main window, but still want quick access to navigate between folders. If you're working on a small screen or just prefer a less cluttered interface, minimizing the pane offers balance between accessibility and simplicity. Lastly, there's the off option. Choosing this means the folder pane will hide entirely from view. This might be useful if you prefer an ultra-minimalist look or if you rarely need to transition between folders. It lends the maximum amount of screen space to your emails themselves, which can be particularly handy if you're focusing on drafting or reviewing a large number of long emails. And there you have it. Adjusting the folder pane in Outlook is all about finding the setup that best supports your work habits and aligns with your preferences. Whether you stick with the full list view, opt for a minimized look, or hide the pane altogether, these changes can help streamline your email management process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your Outlook experience.